okay. So that, because to me, this area here is a perfect kitchen garden intensive area. Like that, like you don't have dogs?
We have one dog, so she'll get a small, like, man, not even,
I'd run,
not
yeah,
even.
I would run that dog in this zone. Get like this is a
Yeah, I
sweet,
think that's a great idea.
like if I'm looking at this as my homestead, I love, my wife and I just love having our at least 4 or 5 garden beds that are right close to the kitchen so that
Yeah,
my salads, my herbs, some cherry tomatoes, some things that we like to use a lot in the kitchen is just a hop, skip, and a jump from the house. I just find as from a quality of life perspective, that's my favorite thing to do. So
yeah, I
I
super agree with that, man.
and so if it was me, I would actually cut these trees down.
Okay, so
Um,
that just on the very eastern edge of that line there, there's that right there is a strip of cedars. Those are
oh,
coming out.
right here.
No,
Oh
sort of
no,
the
this.
bottom.
Oh, these.
Yeah, yeah. So
Those
that's
are
all coming out.
yes.
That's a dense. Those are things are probably like 15 feet tall. Those are coming out and they'll be turned into mulch.
Oh great. Yeah.
And then yeah, we clear out a couple of those trees in the yard there are dead as it is.
Yeah.
Um, so we could maybe leave like one or two of the ones closest to the house just
Yeah.
to kind of give us some protection there. But then yeah, I love that idea, man.
Yeah.
Kitchen garden, right? My wife will love that too.
Have you ever have you I mean it's definitely a budget thing, but have you ever thought about building a passive solar greenhouse? Have you ever seen
Oh
any
man,
stuff where
I
Rob, I mean it's an expense, but you know, if it was something you were to consider, I would if the house can do it, you can build one right on the front of the house, which is amazing, but that might cut off your living room view. You might not want to do that. But if you ever wanted to build like a really sweet passive solar greenhouse nursery, putting it right next to the house, like here, would be super
yes.
optimal. And then that way you can is there a door? Any doors here on this side? At
Not on that side of the house, but there's two on the south side.
two here. Yeah,
Yeah, there's one right there. Yeah, and another one on the other end too.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I would love passive solar would be amazing, man. Like those, that's a super cool thing, and it gives you all kinds of resiliency. Then,
Oh, it's unbelievable. I love it.
yeah,
Just quality of life too. It's incredible. But yeah, so I
super
mean,
cool.
maybe, yeah. So I mean, I would definitely, if these trees came down, I would consider putting a kitchen garden right in this zone here, right in front of the house. I would divide it into 2 blocks. Let's say they didn't have to be raised beds or something, but if they were, you know, you just cut yourself a access walkway in here, and then basically, you know, run your beds this way, kind of thing.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
I would look really cool from looking outside of the house and seeing that path. And then
Yeah.
it's super accessible to just go and grab things from the garden.